Hey guys, welcome back. Today we've got a filter clamp band, and the problem is this thing has stripped and it won't tighten up. And let me show you, the actual problem is in the threads here. You can see it got over tightened and this brass nut just stripped out. So to clean that, we're going to use I think you call this a die. Yeah, I don't believe it. You got a tap and die. This is the die part. So I'm just going to run it over this to clean the threads, and then put a new nut on it, or a new bolt. What do you call this thing? Fastener. Don't reuse the old one because it's stripped out, and don't buy a new one without cleaning the threads because you'll ruin it too. So use this part. I'll put a link in the description. That'll clean the threads up real nice for you, and then you can put the new one on. So we'll get that done. Just thread it on. It'll clean out all the You can see the difference on the front side versus the back side where it's cleaned them. And if actually, when I get to the hard stuff here, you can see the metal. If you look right here, you can see the metal being pulled out of the, it's just like cutting it out. Okay, I ended up taking it off the machine, off the filter to finish it up, but this is the tool that I use to clean the threads. You can see they all look very nice now, no bad spots. And what I really think the problem is when you cinch the band up and run this through there, that this piece here wears on these threads and rubs them down, so that when your fastener goes across them, it messes the end of it up. So just be careful putting the threaded part back through the clamp. Make sure you don't burr those up, because that seems to be the biggest cause of this. So we'll put it back together, button it up, and we'll be back in business. Bye guys, thanks for watching. I'll put a link in the description for this tool, as well as another fastener if you do have one of these filters that are similar to this one. Have a great day.